going to show you how to make a twiddle stick on a 24-piece snake cube. So first, hold your snake cube in this position and first rotate this piece away from you. So it's like this. Now take this piece and rotate it towards you. So it should look like this. Now take this piece and rotate it away from you. Now face it over here. So this part is like this and we are on the top. And now rotate the second piece away from us. So here is one bearing of our twiddle stick. Now we'll do the same thing with this side. Take this piece and with the opposite side we'll do all the opposite. So first we took it far, this first piece, but now we are going to take it close. Far, close, far, and here's one more bearing done. Now we'll make it into twiddly action. So first you need to count pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we'll rotate the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th piece twice. Now rotate it first, second, third, fourth, 5th piece twice. So here's your twiddle stick, and now I'm going to show you how to twiddle it. So hold it as your comfort, and now we are going to just push from here, then round. So hope you enjoyed making this twiddle stick, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy twiddling it up. So more such videos like this, start now by clicking that red subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.